Hello everyone. Welcome back to Artificial Professor. In today's tutorial, we're going to walk you through a step-by-step process on how to change your YouTube channel name right from your web browser. Your channel's name is a crucial part of your branding, so let's get started on giving it a fresh new look. The first step is to open your preferred web browser and head to the YouTube website. Make sure you're signed into the YouTube account associated with the channel you want to rename. Once you're signed in, click on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Inside YouTube Studio, look to the left sidebar and find the Customization tab. Click on it to access your channel's customization options. Within the Customization tab, you'll find several sections. Look for Basic Info and click on it. This is where you can manage fundamental information about your channel. In the Basic Info section, you'll see your current channel name. Now click on the box below where you can edit your channel name. Type in your new desired name. Keep in mind that there might be certain guidelines for channel names, so make sure your new name complies. Take a moment to review your new channel name for any typos or mistakes. Remember, this name represents your channel, so make it count. If everything looks good, click the Publish or Save button. Note that in some cases, especially if your channel is part of the YouTube Partner Program, your new channel name might need to be reviewed and approved. This process usually doesn't take long, so keep an eye on your email notifications. That's it. You've successfully changed your YouTube channel's name using your web browser. Your new name will now appear across your channel and in search results. Embrace the change and continue creating awesome content. Your channel's name is a reflection of your brand and content. By following these simple steps, you can easily refresh your channel's identity and make it even more appealing to your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.